guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious deviled eggs. So for this you are going to be needing some garlic powder and some paprika, and I have 2 tablespoons of chopped turkey bacon and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion. I have a little bit of scallion, and you are going to be needing some boiled eggs. I have 7 boiled eggs here. I just boiled them like normal and then put them into some cold water so that way can make taking the shells out a little bit easier. But as you can see, they're not all going to be perfect, which is okay. And you are going to be needing some mayo, some Dijon mustard, and I have a cup that I put a small Ziploc bag in. And you're going to be needing some salt and pepper. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright, so we want to start by cutting our eggs into 2, just like that, and you can see how beautiful that yolk is. Now you want to go ahead and take that yolk out. So you want to grab a bowl and scoop out the yolk carefully. We want a nice clean bowl just like this, and now you want to go ahead and place these right in a plate, whatever platter you are going to serve it in. So I'm going to continue doing these, and then I will come back and show you guys how I mix the yolk. Okay, as you can see, I have all the yolks in the bowl. Now you want to go ahead and grab a fork or a potato masher if you have one, and just mash this really nice. Break each piece apart as much as you can. I can't wait for this Easter, guys. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I have some fish on this channel. Check out, I have fried fish, I have stewed fish, I have foil big fish, I have escovitch fish, Jamaican style. Check out all the videos so you guys can use my recipes, and when you post them on social media, you guys can tag me. This is a great recipe also to have in your Easter table. So I can't wait for you guys to try all these recipes. And of course, if you haven't, go follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and go ahead and head to my Facebook page and go like my Facebook page. Okay, and of course, don't forget Snapchat. The link for all those will be down in the description box for you guys to check out. I'm not putting the mayonnaise quite yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bacon, turkey bacon, and put in my onions. And you guys, if you like pickles, you can cut some pieces of pickles and put some of that in there. You can even put a little bit of that pickle juice in there if you like. So now I'm going to put in my mayonnaise. I'm gonna go ahead and use a teaspoon. We're gonna go do a couple teaspoons at a time. I'm going to do 3. Okay, I usually make way more than this, so that's why I'm not sure how much mayonnaise I'm going to be using. I should have used a tablespoon instead. So okay, so we had 3 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons, 5. We might go with 6 to start. Okay. And just mix it, make sure it is very, very smooth. Okay. You guys can see it's getting smoother. But I might add 2 more. Again, I will leave the exact measurement in the description box for you guys to check out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like deviled eggs, if that's something you usually have in your table over the Easter. Okay, mix it really well. And I'm going to put a little bit of that Dijon mustard, not much. Let me shake that bottle up. All right, maybe 1 teaspoon of that, and mix that in as well. Okay, and now before I go ahead and put salt or anything, I like to taste. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that garlic powder, and I'm going in with a little bit of salt, not too much. Make sure you taste your food, guys, so you can see how much you need. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper. Okay, again, taste your food so you know what you need. I could eat this with some crackers. This looks so good already. Yum. Okay, again, taste again. Perfect. I love that little bite of bacon that I get in there. So yummy. So now you want to go ahead and take that cup. And as you can see, once you add the mayonnaise and stuff, it looks so much more than it was. Just try to get in there as much as possible. Okay. Just like that. And just try to work with it to bring most of it down. You guys can see that? Okay. And then I'm just going to cut the end, like a little of the end, not much. Snip it off so we can make that little hole. And let me scoot everything else over. And then now you want to go ahead and bring your bowl, and now just like we're making a little cake. I might have to make that hole just slightly bigger, and just, can you guys see? And just fill all your cups. Just like that. You can always come back if you think some need more, but make sure you fill them all first. Okay, just like that. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and please hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you for always supporting the channel. And I do have another channel. I speak Haitian Creole, so if you're Haitian, please go ahead, or if you speak Creole, even if you're not Haitian, go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well. Okay, I have just a little bit left, so I'm gonna go and fill that one up. Again, it don't have to be perfect. I am no baker, you guys know that. I am a cook. All right, now I'm going to take some paprika and just put right in my hand and just pinch a little and just go ahead right on top. Sprinkle a little on in each of them. Okay. You want to be very light-handed with this. We're just trying to pretty up our platter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take some green scallion and drop 1 or 2 in each. If you have fresh parsley, you can do that, or if you have chives, that would even be prettier, but I didn't feel like going to the store just to grab some chives. And that's pretty much it. Of course, I'm going to eat the one that look the messiest, which is this one. Don't mind that paprika on my hand, and I'm going to taste it. I'm telling you guys, that bacon, that turkey bacon, is so delicious in there. If you haven't tried it with bacon, turkey bacon, whatever type of bacon you eat, give that recipe a try. And please, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.